the Liberty Street Marketplace in Wooster. I don't normally film LULAs, but this thing is glass, so I'm gonna do it. Only because I don't think I've ever seen a glass LULA before. Clue what this button is. Gable installed this thing. That's interesting. That is the wackiest chime I've ever heard. Concord. I think you can see why I don't normally film these. I will say the cab looks nice. I like the all glass look to it. Weird buttons. It's a Concord. LULAs aren't really the thing I film on this channel usually. I'm shocked there's actually one that's more than 2 floors, but yeah, I don't really like filming these, but just because this one's all glass, it makes it cool. This thing's slow as molasses. That's why I usually don't film these. Well, at least to the one guy who thinks a 8-story hydraulic elevator that's just tiny as a LULA, here's your proof that this is what a LULA is. There it goes.